60 Avalon update video. Got all the paint done in here, all that got finished up. If you remember, they were finishing that up. So if you can see, it looks really good. The trim looks awesome. Trim's important in these. It makes it look nice. They'll refinish this. And then we have all this done in here. On here. So all the trim, paint, everything's done. And it looks really, really good. The plugs and switches are in too. The new ones, lights. So they're moving along really well on this one. In fact, they have the new flooring that's going in right here. So this is your new flooring right here. So this is a laminate. We'll never have to replace it. It'll last. I don't like carpets because you have to keep traffic master. So it's supposed to last 15 years, but it's waterproof and all that. It's going to look good. And again, they got all the painting done, lights, the plugs, the switches, and all that done in here. So wow, looks really good. Getting this put together. See, there's a lot of flooring we got to do. And again, in here they did all the painting. It looks superior, plugs and switches, and even I forgot, they got the, looks like they got the blinds in too. So, so I just talked to him yesterday. So they got most of this done in here. They still have a little bit more. They got the cabinets that they painted. They got this, and they got to put some blinds and fix that window. So let's go down here. Yes, let me see. Here, sorry. Let me see here. They painted all this. And then you can see here they got all this painted and cleaned up down here. It's real important for this to be nice and clean and sealed, and it is. Remember, he was working on that last week. So you can see all this is painted. This is done. Looks really good in here. Really makes it look nice and clean, easier to rent. It's good. So I wanted to let you see all this and know that we got it done. We'll still put the flooring in. They're going to be real close next week. So get you another update video, and we'll have it for rent the week after. Thanks.